welcome back to my channel. It's your girl LaShondacapri.
And me, Eddie.
And if you are new here, welcome to my freaking channel. I have getting a lot of messages and DMs from you guys saying that you like our last workout video that we did. We did not expect to get so many DMs and so many views. So we wanted to bring you guys another couple video, but this time we're going to keep it cute, short, and simple. It's going to be a really cute couples workout that you can do with your friend, your significant other, or whoever you want to do this workout with. So first, we are going to start out with a simple stretch. We're going to make this video as quick as possible and not really make it as long this time. And guys, before we jump into the stretch, make sure you do have some water. Make sure you are cool. Make sure you are fully hydrated. And let's just jump straight into the workout. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. Make sure you thumb up this video, turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me.
All right, so of course, prior to every workout, what you want to do is you want to stretch, you want to warm up, get the body ready for whatever workout you're going to do. So quick stretch. It's going to do right over left or left over right. Hold it for about 10 seconds. Then you switch, other side. Now let's stretch out those triceps. Right arm. You're gonna switch, left arm. So now let's stretch out the chest. All you gotta do is arms behind your back, palms out. Hold it for about 10 seconds or so. Alright, stretch out them quads, right leg. If you can't maintain your balance, one trick I learned is just to put your hand over your stomach, and it'll help you keep your balance. And then I'm going to switch, left leg. Alright, stretch out them hamstrings, feet together. Just bend down slowly. Bend your knees slightly. And if you're doing it right, you can feel the burn a little bit. And come back up slowly. And lastly, stretch out your calves. I like to put one leg forward. Stretch out my right calf. That's how I like to do it. Everybody has a different variations. However they want to do it. This is my personal favorite. Alright.
Let's jump into this little workout, guys.
Alright, so first workout is going to be a squat crunch combo. I'm going to perform the squat portion. She's going to do the crunch. What it's going to look like, she's going to jump on me. She's going to cross her legs behind my back, lock herself in real good, secure herself. She will perform the crunch after I perform the squat. We're going to demonstrate. While you're following along,
make sure your legs are locked, ladies.
Shoot for about 10 reps.
Want a kiss in there if you want to. Motivate your husband.
Motivate your spouse. Let's go.
It's a little sweaty out here, so be careful, not slip. Got this. There you go. All right.
Good job.
Give yourself a pat on the back. All right, let's move into number 2.
So next one's gonna be a crunch tricep dip variation. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lay on my back, have my legs bent at a 90-degree angle. I'm gonna perform the crunch portion. She is gonna lean on my knees, and she's gonna perform a tricep dip. It's gonna look like so. As you see us doing it, shoot for 10 reps. Cool? And begin.
And there you go.
That's how you do it. We're gonna swap positions. She's gonna do crunches, I'm gonna do dips. If you want females, if you can't go all the way up, just go as far as you can, as long as you can feel that crunch in your abdomen. As long as you feel some type of pressure, then you're good. Got it?
Got it. 10 reps. Let's go. Good job. All right. Like I said, if you need to take a break, pause the video right quick, go grab a drink of water. It's fine to do so. So let's move into number 3.
So the next one is going to be the wheelbarrow push-up workout. So if you're familiar with the wheelbarrow, you're going to hold the legs of your partner. The one that's in the wheelbarrow position is going to perform push-ups. The one that's standing up is going to be performing squats. So since I already did squats, I'm going to do the push-ups. She's going to hold my legs and do squats.
Let's shoot for 10 reps on this.
10.
So let's go. Ready? Let's go.
Super easy.
Super easy.
Very simple.
Very simple. All right.
Take a quick breather if you need to. Always rest in between sets.
Yes, very important. Don't overdo yourself. Stay hydrated. Okay, guys, for the 4th workout, we are going to do a plank. Last 2 workouts that we have for you guys are going to be planks. We're both going to demonstrate the workout for you.
Get in plank position. All you gotta do is just tap hands.
10 reps. Let's get into it. Get you a kiss in there. There we go. Simple and easy and cute. All right, for our last and final workout, number 5.
What we're gonna do a side plank with a rotation. So a side plank. I'm gonna start like this. Left arm, my left arm locked. Opposite arm up in the air. And you're just gonna come down. Rotate, come back up. Down, rotate, come back up.
Okay, guys.
That's all you gotta do.
10 reps. Let's jump into it.
10 reps and go.
right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into another set of those exact planks. You're just gonna switch position. 10 reps. Starting now. And he's tired. That is all 5 workouts. Good job, guys. Good job. If you made it this far in the video with us, give yourself a pat on the back. You did it. You feel amazing. You're well hydrated. You got to spend time with your significant other, your friend, or whatever the case is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And again, turn on post notification bell, guys, so you don't miss any videos from me or when I do videos with him. We're gonna go and grab us some water, grab us some shade, and yeah, we'll see you guys. I'll see you guys in my next, what, babe?
Freaking video.
Peace out, guys. We out.